I'm anxious because I just don't know. I've never had a good haircut any day ever of my life. Hi, I'm Janaé, and today I'm getting a curly cut. But before you see my transformation, subscribe below. My mom is Black and my dad is Italian, and they have two very different types of hair, and mine falls right in the middle of that. I've never really had just a good routine. As I got older, I was like in sports, so it was just like a ponytail all the time. In my 20s, I just wanted to look like a cartoon character, so it was like purple hair, pink hair, blonde, like all of this. My current hair makes me feel a little incomplete. I recently got married and I have a new job, and I am like, I love this person that I'm becoming, but then I get to my hair and I'm like, well, we need some work. So I just wanted to fit in with like the rest of this awesome, beautiful Janaé that is coming to life right now.
Hi, how are you? My name is Sabrina and I specialize in curly haircuts at Al-Anon Salon in Los Angeles, California. I'm known for curly hair transformations. Curls love haircuts, so once you cut them, they will always bounce up. Basically, what we're gonna try to do today is enhance your curls.
Okay, great.
All right, let's just get started. First, I cut the perimeter of the hair, which is basically the length, and then I go in and create layers in the hair, and that will just give it the shape. We're going to be cutting a few inches off. That's really gonna help bounce up that curl, so I'm glad that she's willing to lose a few inches.
It's taken a really long time for me to embrace my natural curls because I've always wanted to have like a different look. So now I'm like, I want the hair that God gave me.
We're gonna do a clarifying shampoo today just to get rid of any buildup and give her hair a nice clean slate. The most important thing about curly hair is doing your research and finding someone that you can trust with your hair. I have extremely curly hair and I just had a really hard time finding someone who could do it, and so I learned how to do it myself. Once I started embracing my curly hair, I started helping others embrace their curly hair, and now I love all my curly girls. After shampoo, I do a treatment for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I like to detangle all the hair and clip it up and put it under a cap. So after I rinse out all the treatment, I don't towel dry her hair. I like putting product in on soaking wet hair. I apply the volumizing product on the roots and I kind of just like let it work throughout the ends. But once I get to the crown of the head, I like to brush everything up just to give it as much volume as possible. After the volumizing product, I use a little bit of a curl cream. What that does is it just helps out with any of the frizz. And after the curl cream, I use gel, and the gel will just give the curls a little bit of hold so they last longer. When I diffuse, I like to keep Janaé's head upside down, have the blow dryer on low heat, just so it doesn't really cause as much frizz. And just like we scrunch all the hair, we're gonna have her move her head forward, to the left, to the right, until it's fully dry. With curly hair, it's relatively a new thing that's being embraced. A lot of more women and men are feeling comfortable rocking their natural hair. And so I feel like in a way, I'm kind of like helping them through the journey. Hair is the accessory that you never take off. You should take care of it. You should be happy with your hair, and you should treat it like a Chanel bag. After her hair is fully dry, I take a little bit of oil on my hands, and you'll notice that her hair is looking a little crunchy, which is okay, because what that is, it's the gel, and the gel has a cast on the hair. So what that oil does is it's gonna break that cast and make sure the curls are nice and fluffy. Are you ready to see your hair?
I am.
Oh my gosh, let's do it. What?
Oh my God!
Wow.
This is amazing.
Did you even know you had curls like this?
I had no idea. This looks
Your hair is
so
really curly.
different.
So once you're ready to go to sleep at
Yes.
night, what you're gonna do is put your hair into a pineapple.
Grab all your hair into a very loose ponytail.
I actually think like your hair could get curlier.
Honest to God, like two different people.
I know.
This
And
is
it's only
amazing.
gonna get better from here. I always tell people that, and it's very true.
This haircut has boosted my confidence a bunch. It was exactly what I wanted to fit into this new person that I am turning into, and I love it. I feel like it's me. It's full and it's bouncy and it's curly. Sabrina told me that every 3 or 4 months I should be cutting my ends to keep it healthy, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Working with Janaé today was really wonderful. I was just kind of curious to what her hair could do, because you just never know sometimes. Once you have the right shape, the curls just kind of sit and they will always bounce up.
I'm not gonna put my hair in a bun for an entire week. Maybe one day if I'm feeling lazy, it might go up, but that's it, just one. Thank you for watching Refinery29. For more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.